Amplitude is what we would call the strength or the power of a signal. If you were to use something like an oscilloscope, you would be able to measure the amplitude, because the amplitude is basically represented by the positive crest and the negative troughs of the sine wave. And really, if we look at it from this center line, the height of that signal would indicate that it has a strong or weak amplitude, just depending on how we're measuring it. So, to be stronger, that distance, A, would be greater than it would be down here on a less amplitude. Now, the amplitude, and we'll get into some of the ideas behind this, is an important aspect because I said with some of these communications, like I mentioned with microwave communications, they would not have as much power, and so fortunately for us, that means they don't cause us, that we know of anyway, any significant harm. But when we get more and more power, more amplitude, then that wave could become dangerous. Again, I think about the microwave oven. And if you wonder why, the glass front door has got that little caged thing on there, because we're trying to make sure that we keep that strength of that signal inside the microwave oven so it doesn't cook the poor person who put the TV dinner in the microwave oven.